All right, I'm going to go over how to set up your home page. So by default, when you install the theme, you'll have your latest post displaying on the home page. So let's go ahead and go over how to change that. So basically, we're going to add a page, and we'll just call this page home page. And then we're going to select template, and we're going to select home page as the template. So under page attributes, select home page, and let's go ahead and publish this. Excuse me. And then under settings and reading, we need to tell our blog what page to set as the home page. So under front page displays, we'll select a static page. And for the front page, we're going to select that page we just created. So now when we save, if we open this in a new tab, you'll see your home page has showed up. And I actually have some widgets in there real quick for examples. So I'm going to just pull those out real quick and then start over. So this is what it looks like when you, one more. So once you install the home page, it should look something like this. Pretty empty, but let's go ahead and go over how to add some content. So obviously the slider's the big one at the top, and we'll cover that in the next video, but let's go over how to add some content. So if we go under pages and find that home page, we can edit it. So if we edit it, you can just do something like add content here. And of course, that's the simplest way to add content. And you can add some columns with our shortcodes, do whatever you need. But we built in some additional options like you see in the live preview, those 3 boxes. Those are created with pages actually, and they're called child pages. So let's just go over some examples on how to create this and say example box 1. And under page attributes, we'll select a parent. And basically we want to set that home page we created as the parent. And let's go ahead and publish that first so you can see what it looks like on the home page. And so now you can see this is how that box shows up. So we can create these home page boxes. So the cool thing about this is there's tons of options. So if you want a background image, just go ahead and set yourself a featured image. So if we set a featured image, let's go and upload one. We'll set it as a featured image, update it. Now you can see how you have your home page box. Then you can add a link. So under page settings, there's this home page child page link. So let's go ahead and link to our contact us page. You can add that in. So now when we click on example box, it sends us to contact us. Then in the live preview, you'll notice we have these icons. The icons are super easy to add. You just go under the shortcodes and there's an icon option, and you can adjust the color of the icon, the size of the icon, and the icon itself. So by default, we'll just go and leave it alone, and you can play around with it. So that's the icon. Now in our documentation, if you go under creating the homepage, and you scroll down and we cover these child pages, see these homepage featured boxes, and we have a link to the icon. So if you want to see a full list of these icons, go ahead and click on that, and you can find an icon you want. Let's say for instance we want an anchor. That says it right there, FA-anchor. So under the icon we can just do FA-anchor, and then that's how we can pull in the different icons. So it's super cool. Let's go and add another one so that you can see how they're done. So example box 2, we'll set a featured image, and that's by clicking set featured image and then setting. Then under page attributes, this is the key parent, we'll select home page. Let's go ahead and just drop in an icon, publish that, and now we have 2. And if you want to adjust the order, you can just set the order for each of these pages there. Again, all you do is add your page and you'll select the parent.